Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my Alice's Tea Party album. This album is using the Graphic 45 Alice in Wonderland collection, or Alice's Tea Party collection, it's actually called. And I used half a package of the collection pack, so one of each sheet, and then I used half of the patterns and solids from that as well. So here's a look at the front of the album. It's a folio, and I used some Prima flowers as well. I believe these two are Prima, and then these are the Graphic 45 flowers. The diamond dies, I used Heartfelt Creations. I have some magnets in here. They are the bottle cap ink, the super strong magnets, and the 1/2-inch ones. I used 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3 sets. Here's a look at the spine and the back. And you open it up. And over here we have an angled pocket. I used one of the border strips here, and I created a little insertion point there and put a couple of cut aparts in. I have some photo mats here that I've added some cut aparts to. These are 3x4 photo spots, and I have a 4x4 here and a 3x4 here with a border strip. I use black ink and dauber to ink the edges of all of the decorative papers. A large insert back here. Let me take these out so you get a nice look at it without the insert. So there's the inside front cover. I used the EK Success embroidery edge punch to create this design here. Here's the large insert. And I do have kits available for this, as well as I will be teaching a class at a local scrapbook store. So the links will be below for that. In the class kits, everything comes pre-cut. I should say most everything, because some of the cut aparts you may have to trim out. But for the most part, I go ahead and cut it all for you. All of the embellishments that you see here are included as well, and the magnets. Over here, we have a lovely waterfall with pockets. Each pocket has an insert. This is a 4x6 insert, so your photo will be trimmed down to 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. So you're basically just trimming a 1/4 inch off of each side, or off of one short side and a long side of a 4x6. You can put 2 on there, and it lifts up. We have little strips here, and yes, all of these strips, they're stripped along here, here, and here. Those are already cut for you. You just have to glue them down. Ink and glue. And then we have 3x4 photo mat here and 4x6 photo mat. I did a smaller photo mat here so you could still enjoy the beautiful papers. So we alternate. So after the front one, the first one, we have blue, pink, and green. And I just alternated those. So it's the same all the way down. And then the last one, I have a photo there. So the white does not come in your kit. The white actually just represents my photo. So what I did is I just put a little bit of glue underneath the center. When I go and put my pictures on, I know what size to trim them. And then I'll just carefully remove this and then glue my photo in place of it. So it's nice to have that if you're giving it as a gift. You can really see the nice framework and what it'll look like once the pictures are in. So there is my Alice in Wonderland folio album. Again, links are below if you'd like to sign up for the class or you'd like to pick up a kit. Those, if we have kits left after the class, then they will be available. But as of right now, this is exclusive to the class. So check back because once the class is over, if we have kits, like I said, then I will release those for purchase. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I always post updates over there. And feel free to join my email list and have a great day.